Managing customer relationships is key to success in today's fast-paced business world. Introducing Dynamics 365's Account and Contact Management. With Dynamics 365, you can centralize all your customer data in one place. Create and manage accounts effortlessly. Store company details, industry information, and more. Keep track of individual contacts associated with each account. Store their names, job titles, and contact information. See the complete interactions history with each contact, like emails, calls, and meetings. Gain valuable insights with relationship health scores and intelligent suggestions for better engagement. Seamlessly integrate with sales, marketing, and customer service modules for a unified view of customer interactions. Dynamics 365's Account and Contact Management empowers you to streamline your sales processes and build stronger customer relationships. Centralized Customer Database. Dynamics 365 provides a centralized database to store all customer-related information. Users can create and maintain individual records for each account and contact. The database allows for easy access to customer details, interactions, and activities. Account management. Users can create and manage accounts representing organizations or companies. Each account record can store relevant information, such as company name, address, industry, and website. Account records can be categorized and segmented based on various criteria, enabling targeted marketing and sales efforts. Users can track interactions and activities associated with each account, including emails, meetings, and phone calls. Contact management. Dynamics 365 enables the creation and management of individual contacts associated with specific accounts. Contact records store essential details, like name, job title, contact, and social media profiles. Users can track the history of interactions with each contact, providing a holistic view of the relationship. Multiple contacts can be associated with a single account, facilitating collaboration and communication within the organization. Relationship insights. Dynamics 365 offers relationship insights that provide actionable intelligence based on customer interactions and engagement. Users can view relationship health scores, which indicate the strength and engagement level of an account or contact. Relationship insights provide suggestions for the best time to reach out to customers. Activity management. Users can log various activities, such as emails, calls, meetings, and tasks, directly within the account or contact records. Activities can be scheduled, assigned to team members, and tracked for follow-up. Dynamics 365 offers a timeline view of activities, providing a chronological overview of customer interactions. Account and contact management seamlessly integrates with other modules within Dynamics 365, such as sales, marketing, and customer service enables a unified view of customer. Users can generate reports and dashboards to gain insights into customer trends, sales performance, and customer satisfaction. Advanced analytics tools, such as Power BI, can be integrated to create interactive visualizations and perform in-depth data analysis. Dynamics 365 offers mobile apps, allowing users to access account and contact information on the go.